I just put here the operations for different architecture types in Mali. The simplest one is Midgard. This is architecture of one shader core. Here we have the arithmetic logic unit, we have the load and store unit, and the texture units. And then we have some input and some output. Okay, and unit or not unit. A Mali offline compiler is going to give us some numbers that are relevant to exactly these three hardware units. So here's all about arithmetic, okay, basically multiplying and adding floats and things like this. Okay, everything regarding this arithmetic operation. I'm sure you studied that in the school. But then we also have load and store operations, which are all about pulling data in and into memory. And this is not about texture. I know that textures are coming from memory, but they are so specific and so fascinating, the textures, that they need their own hardware unit. So we have load store, and then we have texture fetch. So every time that we have a shader and we give it to Mali offline compiler, it's going to give us numbers, and it's going to basically tell us, so your shader is taking this amount of cycles per in arithmetic logic unit, this amount of cycles for the load store units, and this amount of cycles on the texture